Welcome to the future of AI, a world where machines learn, adapt, and think just like us. Picture healthcare, transportation, and education transformed by intelligent systems that predict, reduce, and adapt. But it's not just about change, it's about opportunities. The demand for AI skills is soaring in all sectors, and there's never been a better time to dive in. From students to professionals to enthusiasts, everyone has a place in this field. Don't worry about the complexities. The journey starts with the first step. So ready to be a part of the thrilling future of AI? In this video, we'll guide you through your first 5 steps into the artificial intelligence world. Let's dive in. Step 5. Understanding the basics of AI. To immerse yourself in this fascinating world of artificial intelligence, it's essential to grasp its fundamentals. AI is not just about coding. It's about making machines think, learn, and even make decisions like a human being. Algorithms, neural networks, machine learning, deep learning. These are some of the terms you'll frequently encounter. There are countless resources available to help you navigate through these basics. Online platforms like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer comprehensive courses tailored for beginners. Books like Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach, and Hands-on Machine Learning can also be your guiding light. Remember, learning is a continuous process. You don't need to know everything at once. Start with the basics, understand them, and gradually move towards more complex concepts. Knowledge is power. Equip yourself with the basics of AI and you're one step closer to your AI journey. Step 4. Learning to code. We now find ourselves at a crucial juncture in our AI journey. Coding is not just about writing lines of text on a screen, it's about breathing life into your ideas, transforming abstract concepts into tangible applications. Imagine coding as the language of technology, the bridge between human thought and machine action. In the realm of AI, coding is the very essence of creation. It is the tool that enables us to design intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and evolve. Now you may ask, where do I begin? The answer is Python. Renowned for its simplicity and readability, Python is a perfect starting point for beginners. It's a versatile language widely used in AI and machine learning, making it an essential skill for any budding AI enthusiast. So buckle up and dive into the world of coding. Remember, it's okay to struggle, stumble, and make mistakes. That's part of the process. Coding is your key to unlock the door to the AI world. Step 3. Exploring AI tools and platforms. As we delve further into our journey, we encounter a variety of tools and platforms designed to simplify the process of creating artificial intelligence systems. These platforms serve as a playground for beginners to experiment and apply their newfound knowledge. First up, we have TensorFlow. Developed by the tech giants at Google, TensorFlow is an open-source software library for high-performance numerical computation. Its flexible architecture allows you to deploy computation to one or more CPUs or GPUs in a desktop, server, or mobile device with a single API. TensorFlow is especially good at machine learning and neural network models. Next, we have IBM Watson. Named after IBM's first CEO, Thomas J. Watson, this AI platform is a question-answering computer system capable of answering questions posed in natural language. Watson is a shining example of the power of natural language processing, which is a crucial aspect of AI. It's been used in fields as varied as customer service, telemarketing, and even medical diagnosis. There are several other platforms worth mentioning, such as Keras, PyTorch, and Microsoft Azure. Keras is a user-friendly neural network library written in Python. It's built to enable fast experimentation with deep neural networks, and it could be your ticket to understanding these complex systems. PyTorch, on the other hand, is known for its capabilities in natural language processing. Microsoft Azure boasts a range of services that can help you build, train, and deploy machine learning models. Remember, these tools are not just for the seasoned experts. They're designed to accommodate beginners, providing an avenue for hands-on learning. They are your playground, a place to practice and apply what you've learned. So don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Experiment, make mistakes, learn and grow. These are just a few of the many AI tools and platforms available to you. As you continue your journey, you'll discover many more, each with its unique strengths and capabilities. These tools are your playground to practice and apply what you've learned. Step 2. Engaging in AI communities. As you delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, remember that you are not alone in this journey. There is a vast network of people, just like you, who are exploring, learning, and innovating in the field of AI. Joining AI communities can provide a wealth of benefits. You can learn from the experiences of others, gaining insights from their successes and failures. Staying updated with the latest trends and developments in AI is another advantage. These communities often host discussions and share articles about the most recent advancements in the field. But perhaps one of the most valuable aspects of these communities is the networking opportunities they provide. You can connect with like-minded individuals, collaborate on projects, and even find mentors who can guide you in your AI journey. In the AI world, you're never alone. Join the community and learn together. Step 1. Starting your first AI project. Now that we've built a solid foundation, it's time to put theory into practice. It's time to create. Think about a problem you'd like to solve or a process you'd like to automate. Perhaps you fancy building a simple chatbot or a recommendation system. These are great starting points for beginners. This isn't about creating the next big thing, but about applying what you've learned. It's about understanding the process of developing an AI solution from problem identification to solution deployment. It's about embracing the challenges you'll face along the way because they are the best learning opportunities. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. In fact, expect them. They are part of the process and they will make you a better AI developer. And remember, every AI expert started just where you are right now. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Now you have the roadmap to start your journey in the AI world. Let's take a moment to recap. We began with the 5th step, understanding the basics of AI. Then we ventured into the 4th step, learning to code. Next, we explored the 3rd step, diving into AI tools and platforms. Afterwards, we delved into the 2nd step, engaging in AI communities. And finally, we arrived at the 1st step, starting your first AI project. This journey may seem daunting, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Today, you are equipped with the knowledge and the tools to take that first step. You don't have to wait for the future, you can create it. Every step you take today brings you closer to your AI journey tomorrow. Don't wait for the future, create it. Start your AI journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notifications bell. Thanks, and see you in the next video.